Hello everybody and welcome to this vending machine video. You can hear from the music, it's almost Christmas. Okay, we have the white Honda City with the Cybertruck behind, and then this GT Scorcher, Porsche Taycan, Jeep Gladiator in Borla livery. Then we have the Ford Sierra, which I already have, and I will buy another one. It is very nice. Disgusting, I love it. Then we have the Nissan Fairlady Bugatti EB110, I will get. McLaren BMW CSL, I already have. What is this? This is the Nissan R390 in white. Then we have the what is this? The Impala? No, it's the Plymouth. And then we have this Firebird, Ford Focus, Magnus Walker, the Mustang Mach-E electric racing car, this muscle car, Mazda Repu, the Nash, and I don't know what is this, a Porsche 935. Looks very nice. Maybe I should get one as well. And we have this van with the yellow EB110 behind, Mazda Savannah, another Repu motorcycle, and then the police Nissan Fairlady. I have to speak very loud, it's very noisy. Land Rover pickup, which I will get. This one is all news Horizon. The Jetta I already have, and the police, not nice. So I will get the Land Rover. Number 1. And the Bugatti number 13. Okay, join me in a moment while I get the cars. So this is what I have got. It is very nice. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.